I still remember in my life when the first time I heard as a teenager someone saying, Aldrin, you can be a leader. I cringed. I never believed that I could ever be a leader. And now, today, after some 35 years, I can look back and say, wow, God has done some amazing things in my life and through my life. Now, all of these things did not just magically take place. God makes leaders over a period of lifetime. For me, I'm still learning. And I would like to share some of those learnings, some of those journeys with you. The good, the bad, the ugly in my life. I would like to share in these videos. And I would like to bring about some relevant topics so that you can grow in your life, because I believe that you can be a leader as well. I believe no matter how much you believe in yourself or not believe in yourself, I truly believe that God has called you to be a leader. And I can remember the times when I did not believe myself. And in many ways, even today, I feel like the challenges God gives us and life brings about, we don't always have all the resources that we need. But you know what? In these videos, I'll be sharing with you my own journey, my own stories, my own discovery, so that we can learn things together. So I want to invite you to this channel and allow me to be your coach, allow me to be brother, a friend, a person to come alongside and to mostly share from my experiences in life. So I invite you to that journey of journeying with Jesus Christ.